Apart from OpenAI, there is another platform you can integrate with Atrium Cloud or Atrium Health, and that is TogetherAI. With TogetherAI, you can connect your site to more than 200 different AI models through a single, simple API. Currently, our AI oracles support both platforms to enhance the user experience on your website. You can connect and fine-tune models that will interact directly with your users on your own website. Together AI is essential for Plexosoft integrations because it relies heavily on moderation models. These moderation layers analyze both AI responses and user prompts, adding an important extra layer of security. Now that we're here, we simply click on Start Building Now, or whichever sign-up option appears if the layout changes in the future. In this case, we're selecting the Quick Sign-up option with GitHub. Whenever a platform supports GitHub Quick Sign-up or Login, we'll always choose that option to streamline the registration process and make future support easier. Otherwise, we would sign up using our email address, but never with Google or other quick sign-up alternatives. We select our GitHub account and authorize the action until the handshake completes. Once you're inside, the same requirement applies as with OpenAI. We need to add at least $5 in credits to the account to activate the API key, and that's it. Please make sure you don't skip the credit loading step. Without it, we cannot connect your site to TogetherAI later through their API. There is nothing else you need to do at this stage. It's our job to complete the setup. However, once you add credit, your account will look something like this. You'll see all the AI models available, a playground for testing, and a fine-tuning center where you can train your own AI models. You can sort models by price and choose from the most affordable to the most expensive. They are extremely cost-effective. Reaching $1 in usage often requires hundreds of interactions with your AI oracles. It's incredible to live in a time where this technology is so accessible. We've reached the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. In the future, you'll find additional tutorials on how to use TogetherAI and get the most out of their internal tools. See you in the next video.